Wolfram 4500. Have a Wolfram 125.4.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Okay, that helped a wow. Really good, man. Could you tell me what subs and amps you got real quick?
Yeah, there's a Ampere 4.0 18.
Okay.
2 Wolfram 4500. Have a Wolfram 125.4 for the mids and highs. All American bass mids and tweaks.
Okay. Awesome.
What's going on, everyone? I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick little walk around we got of his Jeep. This was at the TDH Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia of 2021, getting to upload it. Looking forward to showing you all how it sounds. Really beefy 4-inch coil, 18-inch subwoofers. So if you haven't already, go ahead and comment. Let them know what you think, as well as give him a thumbs up. You did a really good job showcasing it at the show. He has 2 8-inch aero ports for this enclosure. A lot of people are always going to ask what size the port is if he didn't say it on video, so I wanted to mention it. I did not get the actual box specs or tuning, but I would like to say it's tuned in the low 30 hertz range and around 12 to 13 cubes net. And I like the way he has the motors mounted inverted. Be able to see the beauty of them 4-inch voice coils from Ampere Audio, rated around 4,000 watts RMS, pushed by 9,000 watts in this demo. Really also like the way he has the layout of his amp rack. Little fan cooling system with the push-pull system to push the amplifier cooling in and out to be able to cool off the amplifiers. And of course, it's not mounted to the box, so you help prevent vibration issues. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily cardio videos coming your way every day. And check me out. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and of course YouTube. Enjoy the demo.
Woo. Your voltages don't even hardly move. How much is it? Lithium? Or?
Yeah, I got 70 amp hours of C-Max.
Okay, that helped. Wow, really good, man. I appreciate the demo.
Oh yeah.
Thank you for the demo.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.